Today is Lucas' birthday and he is having the party. Lucas' friends have bought lots of presents for him. There are lots of chocolates, cupcakes, and lollipops are on the table. Most importantly, there is a big birthday cake. Luca and his friends are enjoying their party. One of friend Lucy wants to eat lollipop. She took 2 lollipops and licked her lollipops going So the L sound is
We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops.